Hi everybody, welcome back to Arm Candy. We've got a really gorgeous Goyard St. Louis tote to show you today. So this is in the size PM and it's in this lovely kind of lightweight coated canvas fabric on the outside, and then on the inside we've got another lovely canvas fabric in there. So we've got double top handles, and then attached to those top handles we've also got a little pochette as well. So on the back of there we've got one flat pocket, and then we've got a flat closure with a press stud fasten, and then I'll just show you the inside of that as well. So inside there we've just got one nice big main compartment, and it's quite cool actually. Goyard describes this as kind of like the perfect beach bag, and I'll show you why. So I'll pop that little pochette off, and even that would make a really cute little purse or a little clutch as well, which is really cute. So it's actually completely reversible. So you've got this lovely water resistant coated canvas on the outside, but if you're off at the beach, on your way to the beach you can put your towel and your swimsuit in there, but afterwards when it's all wet and you want a nice waterproof bag to pop it in, you can actually reverse this. So you can see, you can pop that outside and then it just all folds out like that. So then you can see that lovely leather trim on the outside. So you pull that all through, just like that. And then you can see if you just pop it flat on the inside, again you've got that lovely canvas fabric on the outside, and it makes it look like even more of a little beachy bag. And then inside you've got a lovely water resistant wipeable interior, which is a really cool little feature of the bag. So the condition we've called the exterior and the interior very good. So the exterior and the interior are kind of interchangeable, so we've called them very good just because there is a couple of there's just one small little mark on this fabric, on this canvas fabric, and it's just up here, you can see just a really tiny little mark just there. And then on the interior, which is also the exterior, there's just a little bit of wear right in those corners. And again, it is really, really minimal. So that's why I've called the interior and the exterior very good. The hardware we've called excellent, and there's really not very much hardware. It's just this little press stud fasten on the little pochette. So we've called it excellent. You can see there's no marks or any signs of wear to that hardware there. I'll show you what it comes with. So we've got Goyard dust bag, as well as the tissue paper and the Goyard bag as well. So just show you that. And then we also have the fabric card. So that little fabric card there. And we've got a little Goyard envelope, and inside there it's got that bag guide in there as well. So that is what it comes with. If you wanted to know any exact measurements for this St. Louis, again it's a size PM. If you wanted the exact measurements, you can go to the link in the description below. That is the link to shop this Goyard on our website, so go to there if you're interested in buying. It should hopefully take you directly to this tote, but if it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But what you can do is, if you really love it, get yourself on our request list. And that's really easy to do. All you have to do is send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website, and then what we will do, pop you on that list, and then as soon as we get in another one, we will send you through an email with the link to shop, and then hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly the next time. So that's the request list. As I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", and these handles are a nice size, so you can pop it just on your shoulder like that, and it sits comfortably just there. And again, that fabric is really lightweight and flexible, so it sits really comfortably there, or you can pop it on your arm like that as well. and don't forget that it's also reversible. So if you wanted to have that coated canvas fabric, that Goyardine design on the outside, you've got that option too. If you wanted maybe something a little bit more simple, a little bit more subtle, you've got the option to have this on the outside as well. So it's a very cool little bag. So if you wanted more details on it, again, go to the link in the description below. Sign up to our newsletter while you're on our website. You'll find the option at the bottom of every page, a little box that you can pop your email in. So sign up to that newsletter and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. You can use that code on your first purchase with us, so don't miss out on that. And also, while you're on our website, you'll find the How to Sell with Us page. So if you have any bags that you'd like to sell with Arm Candy Bag Co, all the details you need to know about selling with us are on that page. So have a look on there. And while you're here, like this video and also subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any gorgeous pieces like this one that we have to show you. And we'll see you later with some more Arm Candy.